the global economy is no longer powered by factories or oil. It is powered by software. From artificial intelligence and cybersecurity to cloud computing and automation, every major industry on Earth now depends on programmers. In this video, you will learn the only complete roadmap you need to build a high-paying, future-proof technology career from 2026 through 2040, even if you do not have a college degree. Most people fail in technology because they learn random tools with no clear direction. But professionals succeed because they follow structured systems that are built around real industry demand. This roadmap gives you clarity. It shows you which programming languages actually matter, which certifications prove your skills to employers, and which career paths lead to long-term income and stability. Instead of guessing, you will be following the same logic used by top technology companies when they hire engineers, cloud architects, cybersecurity analysts, and artificial intelligence specialists. This is not hype. It is a practical career-grade framework designed to keep you relevant, employable, and highly paid in the digital economy for the next 15 years. Python is the most important language of the modern era. It powers artificial intelligence, automation, cybersecurity, robotics, and data science. Python developers become artificial intelligence engineers, automation engineers, malware analysts, cybersecurity specialists, and data scientists. The most respected certifications that validate Python's skill are PCEP, PCAP, and PCPP from the Python Institute. And these credentials are recognized globally by employers who hire for highly veiled technical roles. JavaScript and TypeScript power the modern internet. Every website, cloud platform, mobile backend, and software service depends on them. These languages lead to careers as web developers, full-stack engineers, and software architects. The AWS Certified Developer Associate proves that a developer can build real, cloud-based applications using JavaScript and TypeScript in professional environments. Java is the backbone of enterprise software. It runs banks, hospitals, governments, financial systems, and Android platforms across the world. Java developers become back-end engineers, enterprise developers, and large-scale systems engineers. And the Oracle Certified Associate and Oracle Certified professional credentials are the global standard for proving Java expertise. CHash drives Microsoft's cloud ecosystem and the professional game development industry. It powers Azure cloud services and game engines like Unity. CHash developers become cloud developers, enterprise engineers, and game developers. And the Microsoft Azure Developer Associate certification validates this skill set for professional hiring. Go, also known as Golang, runs modern cloud infrastructure, microservices, and DevOps platforms. It is the language behind many of the systems that power the internet itself. Go developers become cloud engineers and DevOps engineers. And the Google Cloud Professional Developer certification proves their ability to build and run scalable systems. Rust is the future of secure and high-performance programming. It is used in cybersecurity, cryptography, operating systems, and critical infrastructure. Rust developers become security engineers and systems programmers working on the most sensitive and high-value software in the world. SQL is the language of data. Every application stores its information in databases, and SQL is how that data is accessed, protected, and analyzed. SQL professionals become database administrators, data analysts, and back-end data engineers. Swift is the language of Apple's ecosystem. It is used to build iPhone, iPad, and Mac applications. Swift developers work as iOS and macOS engineers inside one of the highest-paying consumer technology markets. Kotlin is the official language of Android development. Kotlin developers build mobile apps used by billions of people worldwide. And the Google Associate Android Developer certification validates Kotlin and Android skills for professional careers. Certifications transform knowledge into proof. Employers do not just want to know what you claim to understand. They want objective evidence. Python Institute certifications validate Python mastery. Oracle certifications validate Java expertise. Microsoft Azure certification proves CHash and cloud development. AWS certification proves JavaScript, TypeScript, and back-end cloud development. Google Cloud Certification validates Go-based cloud systems. The Certified Kubernetes Application Developer credential proves DevOps and cloud deployment skill. Google's Android certification proves Kotlin-based mobile development. Together, these certifications allow people without college degrees to compete directly with university graduates in the job market. If you want to work in cybersecurity, this roadmap gives you a clear path. You master Python 4, malware analysis, automation, and security tooling. You use Rust to build secure systems and exploit resistant software. You use SQL to protect and analyze databases. You use JavaScript to understand and test web vulnerabilities. This leads to careers as cybersecurity analyst, malware analyst, penetration tester, and security engineer. Security certifications such as CEH, Security Plus, and CKAD push these roles into income territory. If you want to work in artificial intelligence, you master Python for machine learning and automation, SQL for massive datasets, and cloud platforms for deploying models. This leads to careers as AI engineer, machine learning engineer, data scientist, and robotics developer. If you want to work in cloud computing and DevOps, you mastered JavaScript, Python, Go Kubernetes, and cloud platforms to become a cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, or site reliability engineer running the infrastructure of the digital world. A professional learning path begins with Python and SQL because they unlock data, automation, and security. It then moves to JavaScript and TypeScript to master web and cloud applications. After that, Java or C# builds enterprise and game development skills. Finally, Go or Rust adds cloud infrastructure and cybersecurity expertise. This sequence gives you artificial intelligence skills, web development skills, enterprise software skills, and cloud engineering skills in one integrated system. From 2026 through 2040, software will control finance, healthcare, defense, entertainment, transportation, and communication. The people who mastered Python, JavaScript, Java, Go, Rust, SQL, Swift, and Kotlin, and back those skills with professional certifications, will control the highest paying jobs in the digital economy. This is not speculation. This is how the modern world is built. Follow this roadmap, and you will not just survive the future, you will own it.